whatever I have to do it now. So let's do it. Yes, that's the plan actually. Because of the COVID situation also, we couldn't invite anyone and we couldn't like do a proper function. So most probably politically correct. I would say that.
What else is happening? What else is there in the pipeline
Apart from this, so honestly, apart from few music videos, I have not really signed up anything. What I would want to do right now is concentrate more on giving time to myself. Yeah, at least few months before I sign something. And I have not people decide that this is what I'm going to do in next 6 months. That's not me. I don't, as I said, I don't plan things. So it can be anything, whatever comes my way. There are a few TV projects, some films we are talking about, but nothing finalized till now.
Given a choice, where do you go for the bigger screen, or for the
Given a choice, see, it's a difficult question to answer, but I would want to do something that excites me. To be politically correct, I would say that. Yes, but it has to excite me. Like, I was narrated a show a few days back for a GC TV channel, and I really got kicked about it because the character is so interesting and the message they're giving out there is that it was so right for this present time that I felt like I should be a part of it. So it only depends on how excited I get after hearing the story, after hearing the narration. Thank you so much. I'll say that, but this lockdown made all of us realize different things. What it made me realize is that, first of all, how we are ill-treating our environment and how it can react in a way that we will suffer and how we should treat it better. The other thing was that we can't plan anything for future. I can't say next year I'll do this and 1 year after that I'll do this. You can't plan because everything is so unpredictable. So that's when I thought that, whatever I have to do it now. So let's do it.
Is there a possibility of doing a big party? All the people post, everything gets online.
Yes, that's the plan actually. Because of the COVID situation also, we couldn't invite anyone and we couldn't do a proper function. So most probably what we have planned, because my sister is also abroad and almost a lot of relatives are settled abroad, people have to come from other countries. We have planned it for June next year in Jammu. So hopefully we'll be able to host everyone over there in Jammu and take people, my friends from Bombay to Jammu and celebrate it there. A lot of my friends are looking forward to go to Jammu because they have never been there or they want to see that side of India. Yeah, explore.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.